Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be installing mirrors on my Harley Davidson Sportster 1200. Thanks for joining me. If you watched my earlier video, you know that this has a kind of a really small mirror mounted on it right now. And it looks nice, but it's just not safe. I want something that's wider. And I want mirrors on both sides because I just have this one small mirror on here and not really liking that. So I got some mirrors in, and I'm going to show you how to install these. Super easy to put mirrors on a Harley. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I need to do is remove the existing mirror. And that is a 1/2 inch. It's actually super easy to remove these and change these out. Alright, so I got some blue thread locker on here. I'm going to throw this on the bike. It also has a lock washer and a nut to put on there. So we'll put this in. And again, super easy to change these out and install these. So put this in like that. Now we've got the washer and the nut. And again, it is just a 1/2 inch. I'll just snug that up nice and tight. And then I just want to adjust this once I get on the bike and I'm sitting on it. So now we'll go ahead and put the other mirror on. It's still not really going in. I've also got a washer that I'm going to put on it as well. But right now that turn signal's in the way. I'm going to do something about this. So yeah, that was a little in the way. So I'm going with I'm putting a washer under the top part of this mirror here where it flares out. And then I'm using a slightly lower profile acorn nut on here. And hopefully I will be able to get this in here where there won't be a problem. I can actually tighten this up and then have mirrors on both sides, because again, it is just a safety thing that I want to have mirrors on both sides. So now that I got these new mirrors on, I'm going to go ahead and take it for a ride. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.